Hi, my name is Lynda. I've been one of the Thrivister coaches since March of 2021. I truly love working with students with learning challenges, not only because I grew up with and have children with learning challenges, but I am passionate about supporting my clients and coming alongside them to discover new strategies to help them support their goals. My empowerment style is simply to investigate and identify strengths, motivation, learning styles, and what is working with the students now. And then we dig into addressing the challenge areas by creating new systems using existing strengths and skills. I enjoy sharing systems and tools I've learned during my ADHD and coach training, which supports executive function and academic skills. One of my most favorite tools supports anxiety around school motivation, overwhelm, and confidence. I've seen mindsets shift in courage and confidence with simply adopting individualized positive mantras and affirmations. This tool can be extremely powerful to redirect the brain, and it's worth investigating. Another tool I enjoy using with students struggling with procrastination is helping them create a motivation statement. It goes by many names, like a why statement or a purpose statement, but by any name, it essentially helps students see how their daily personal efforts pave the way towards tomorrow's academic goals. I hope that you choose Thrivister to support your academic goals, and I look forward to working with you soon.